Hello folks, it's the Pace Chaser. Welcome to Prague in Czechia, or the Czech Republic as some people still call it. Just seen bus 4063 and there is 3908 SOR NB12s. It's a Skoda T15 tram number 9281. So I'm just in the old town. I'm going to walk down to the International Coach Station. We've got another Skoda T15 there, 9398. Bus in the new livery there, 4107. That's an Iveco. I believe it's a crosswader chassis. Tram 1990, Flixbus Setra, that is a Bova, VDL Bova of Evo trams. Tram 9099, Tatra KT8D5 or 85D. Another Flixbus next in the traffic, a Scania Higer touring. On the old Tatra T3 trams now, 8518. The Dlouha Trida tram stop, translates as Long Street I believe. There it goes. A166 on the back. Bus 4603. (3803) now. Another SOR BN12. Sorry, NB12 that should have been. T15 tram now, 9301. So I'm trying to do a mix of transport. Most people just do the trams. I'm doing trams, but I'm going to do some buses, some coaches. Hopefully I'll get a couple of trains in as well, but we'll see. I've not got long. Mrs. Pace Chaser give me about half an hour off the sightseeing duties. So it's another Tatra T3 now, 8549 on the front. A158 on the rear. It's one of the open top sightseeing Ivecos there, just going around the corner. Got another KT8D5 tram now, 9061. On the 6th to Libensky Most. Another T15 tram now, 9349, advertising Kit Kat. (9450) in fleet livery. (3979) across there. (3902) just passing by the other way there. Tram 9288. Tram 9304 advertising Turkish Airlines. Just in the misty Republic here now, Republic Square in other words. KT8D5 tram 9083 coming up. Another Tatra KT8D5 9055. Bus coming around 3859. Number T3 next, 8532 and 8155. T15 now 9428 on the 8 Pod Baba. Another Tatra T3 coming now, 8752 and 8176. There's 9119, one of the T14 trams built by Skoda but designed by Porsche. And you can see the Porsche design there. And then we've got a T3 coming the other way, 8527. And 8175. And there's an Iveco 4107. Another T14 now, 9135. Just visible there, 9105 going past. And 9282 in the opposite direction. Number T3 next, 8053 and 8009. Skoda T15 9273. Another NB12 bus now, 3953 on the 207. And there it goes. A356 and A357. (9263) just going around the corner there. That was Bela Labut tram stop. Apologies to any of my Czech friends if I'm pronouncing all this wrong. So we have a nice Setra across the road there. Just a quick shot of 4062 there. Iveco bus going across there in Goldfinger's livery. And 3803 there, another SOR NB12. 8435 and 8434. And if I go around, we've got 9150 in the new livery. (9108) going around the corner in the new livery. 9132 coming the other way. Partly bowled by a school trip at 5525. Irizar going around the corner there, Civibus. (3963) across the road there, tram 8364. 8350 on the back of there. Bus 3634. And there goes 3634. Across the road we've got one of the NB18 articulated buses, 5016. And just coming past we've got T14 tram 9153. T3s everywhere now in the silver and red livery. We've got 8279. With A184. Going around the corner 8426 and 8427. T15 now 9290. Just a rear shot there of 5016. Went on a couple of them yesterday, they're like the proverbial off a shovel, they're really, really quick. Flixbus sneaking across the lights there in the background. Just sneaking up behind me, 9429. After getting lost for a bit, there's here is the International Coach Station. You've got a Setra of Regiojet. Another Setra of Flixbus. Irizar of Flixbus. A train in the far distance there just going across. Appears to be a push-pull locomotive on the back. Mercedes Turismo of Express Bus Line. There's a local EMU going across. Regiojet Irizar just coming in. Irizar I8. With the Flixbus Setra just coming round onto the stand. Flixbus Mercedes Turismo, the Flixbus MAN, I'm going to finish the video with a slightly better view of the Regiojet Irizar I8, so I better knock it off now, otherwise Mrs. Percy Chaser will kill me because we're supposed to be in the castle. So thanks for watching, I'll see you again soon, bye for now.